guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Yamaha Tracer 700. This one is a 2016 but on a 66 plate, and it's on 15,334 miles from new. It's a really nice bike. It's got the MIV exhaust on there, so it sounds superb. It's got a comfort seat, so it's nice and comfortable as well. It's got some handguards, some billet levers, some protection on the swing arms, some paddock stand bobbins. It's covered in loads and loads of nice extras as well. Little fly screen on there too, and this is just a superb bike. Super comfortable, super lightweight, plenty of torque, and they are also A2 compatible as well. So if you are an A2 license holder, you can restrict these down to suit your license. But they're just superb. About 75 horsepower, but like I say, bags and bags of torque, so they feel much bigger and more powerful than what they actually are. But they're a really popular bike, super value for money, and if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.